So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can just create a free WordPress website without any cost. As we all know, to create a WordPress website we need a domain and hosting, but I will provide you it in free of cost and I will create a free WordPress account for you. So for this you have to visit this website Pro Free Host. It will host your website in free of cost and it will give you a free domain also. So at first you have to create an account over here. You have to just sign in here. After you create an account, you will visit this page and you have to click on this client area. Now here you see this. I already created one website, but I will create another one to show you, just to show you. Create new account. Now here you have to give a name which will be available. Give this name. So coding. It will be just you have to choose a name that will be not taken by anyone. So you can just take any name, but that should not. Yes, it is available. You see this option, free domain, custom domain. So in this free domain, you have to see this live blog 365. In the I will tell you about this in last. What's the difference between free domain and the domain they are that you purchase? Can manage. Go to this control panel. Now here you see this software. Now there will be this apps installer. Now you just got these options: WordPress, Zoom Lab, Set Crash, Art, PHP baby. We are going with this WordPress. Okay. Yes, it's done. Okay, at first you have to choose a username here, so I'll choose random. You have to remember both of this username and this admin password, so that when you log into your WordPress dashboard you need it. I'll choose this WP coding. It's good. So as you can see, I have successfully created the WordPress website. Now you have to go to this. You see this administrative URL. To visit the dashboard, you have to remember this URL. You see this. I just go to this WordPress dashboard. Now from here you can just do anything. You can just choose your theme, whatever you like, and it's just your WordPress website is completed. Now see this now it's completely blank, but you can just decorate it, and you whatever you want you can just do it. You can create a landing page here, or you want to post blogs here, then you can post, you can just do anything. So now what I was saying, that you see this URL, it's written here liveblogs365.com, and you see this website, it's a only.com. So that's the difference. In their free domain they will provide this type of domain, but if you pay then you will get a straightforward.com domain. So hopefully this video is good, and this has helped you to create your free WordPress website. If this is, then give it a like and please subscribe my channel.